I allow my heart to heal gently. I release all past emotional pain. Healing flows naturally within me. I forgive myself completely. I let go of old hurts with ease. My emotions are becoming peaceful. I am safe to feel and to heal. I choose emotional freedom today. My heart grows lighter every day. I release sadness from my body. I accept my feelings with compassion. Healing is happening inside me now. I am patient with my healing journey. I let go of everything that hurts me. I forgive those who hurt me. I am free from emotional burdens. Peace replaces pain within me. I deserve emotional happiness. My past no longer controls me. I treat myself with gentle care. I am stronger than my past wounds. I release fear from my heart. My emotions are balanced and calm. I allow love to heal my soul. Every day I feel more peaceful. I am kind to my inner self. I release anger and resentment. Healing energy fills my heart. I trust the process of recovery. I let go of guilt and regret. My heart is becoming free again. I choose peace over pain. I welcome emotional clarity. I am learning to love myself. My mind and heart are healing. I release negative memories. I am free to feel joy again. My emotions are calm and steady. I forgive my past completely. I breathe out all emotional pain. I deserve inner peace. Healing happens at my own pace. I'm becoming emotionally stronger. I am gentle with my feelings. I trust my healing process. My heart is open to happiness. I release what no longer serves me. I am grateful for my healing. I am whole and complete again.